First of all, we are going to just quickly reset our network adapters. How can we do that? First of all, open your Windows search, type in Control Panel, and then open this app here. Should look something like this. If not, change over to View by Category, and then click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. And then on the left-hand side, we can see 4 different links. We need to click on the second link that is called Change Adapter Settings. And then the Network Connections window should open, where we can see our network adapters. In my case, I'm using Ethernet, but it doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Just right-click on your adapter and click on Disable. In order to do that, you need to have administrator rights, just to note that. And then we can already check on the bottom right corner that our internet access is lost. And then when we've waited a few seconds, we can already enable it again. So right-click again on your network adapter and click on Enable. This process might take a few moments to just re-identify and reconnect to the network again. So just don't worry. Perfect. Internet access is back. We can already close the Network Connections window, and then back in the Network and Sharing Center, click on this link at Connections here. Again, doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. And then just click on Properties, and here select Internet Protocol version 4. And again, click on Properties. And then down here, change over to use the following DNS server addresses instead of obtain DNS server address automatically. And then for the preferred DNS server, type in 4 times D8, and for alternate DNS server, 2 times D8 and 2 times the 4. You can also just quickly pause this video in order to type those in correctly. And then when you've done that, you can just click on OK and click on Close and click on Close and click on Close. And that's already it. That's how you can fix connection, respectively server issues in Lost Ark. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.